Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Happy New Year to everybody. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Fast free shipping. They'll ship this to you in no time. What do we have here? Upgraded QI wireless card charger mount. That looks pretty cool. Looks familiar, like the face of it. This is upgraded QI wireless. I got my phone on handy. Here we go. We're gonna take it for in the car. Place the phone. Release. Should be an easy one to do. Cut right there. Drop you guys down. Here we go. And now, take a look. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Got the LEDs right there, and there. Kind of looks like a Marvel, maybe Iron Man-ish. There you go. Just go. Ooh. Spandle. In case you have a large phone. Put down. And we got one of these for your air vent. And you got USB. There we go. It's a nice long size. Here we go. Gotta untwine this, or not untwine, but spin Rooney. Pop this like so. I think it goes this way, like that. And lock it in. Here to lock. And I just gotta grab my iPhone. We'll go in the car. Oh, come on. Let me get in the groove. Gotta get in the groove. Here we go. And that locks it. Yep. Unlock. This is easy to use. There we go. And USB goes right in here. Ta-da. And like I said, right about now. Alright guys, that was easy to do. It's nice and secured. Right there, it's clamped in and locked. Looks pretty sweet. Got enough room in between the nozzles, or the volume control. We just gotta plug her in. Turn it on for a second. There we go. Got some light. I just want to show you the LEDs that light up. Gotta move this out of the way. Oop. There we go. Oh, that's sweet. It's blue. Matches that. I'm liking this so far. And now, we got the trusty iPhone. Wow, that was quick. Alright, come on. I gotta make sure it's locked in play. Oops. It's kind of hard to do it in the car. Hold on one sec. There we go. We got a charge. As you can see, right on top. It is charging. We got the blue light going. That's really sweet. So definitely check these guys out. I have the links down below. Get your own car charger. Give a gift to somebody. Valentine's Day is coming. You never know. Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, these are great for any grocery stops, drivers, and everybody. So really cool, guys. Alright, be safe. Have a great day, and see you guys soon. There it goes. See what I mean? Got enough controls right there. Got a little light to direct you. So that's sweet. Okay, ducky. Have a good weekend.